Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can play Steam Remote Play. So first you have to open your Steam application. So here it is on my Steam account. Now you have to log into your account. So first you have to simply click on the Steam here, and from here you can find the settings. Simply click on it. Now scroll down until you find the Remote Play. Now simply make sure that the remote play is enabled on your account. When you toggle it on, then you can turn on this enable advanced host option. You can turn it off and on, and from here like play audio on host, you can play it audio or change desktop resolution or use NVFBC capture on NVIDIA GPU, enable hardware encoding. So you can go with any of these. So just like this, and now you can only do this. You have to go to another device. Right now I can actually show you. Unfortunately I don't have another device right now, so you can go to the another device where you can actually use a Steam, and there you have to also enable the remote play, and you can pair that computer with this computer together, and you can play you can actually remote play. You have to go to the games, and you can find two devices on that section with a drop down button with that play button there, and you can just simply click on the drop down button and you can play remotely on Steam. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.